Kansas settlers. Many people settled in Kansas. They came by wagon. They came by boat. They came by train. They lived on farms. They lived in towns. Old people settled in Kansas. Young people settled in Kansas. Families settled in Kansas. Kansas settlers worked. Old people worked and young people worked. They worked outside. They worked inside. They worked on farms. They worked on ranches. They worked in towns. Kansas settlers made things they needed. Kansas settlers grew things they needed. Kansas settlers bought things they needed. Kansas settlers liked to have fun. They had fun outside. They had fun inside. They had fun in the summer. They had fun in the winter. They had fun with other people. They had fun by themselves. Kansas settlers liked to learn. They learned in large schools. They learned in small schools. They learned at home. They learned inside. They learned outside. Kansas settlers had fun at school. Many people settled in Kansas.